Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix turn off keyboard sound in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Accessibility, click Keyboard, click Notification Preferences, uncheck Play a sound when I turn sticky, filter, or toggle keys on or off from the keyboard. Second method is type on screen keyboard in Windows search bar, click on screen keyboard. Click Options, uncheck Use Click Sound, click OK. Third method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Tailtip, click 1.7. Right-click New, D-Word 32-bit value, named as Enable Key Audio Feedback. Change value data to 0. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.